Welcome. In this video, we show you how to increase your productivity with InLoox templates. Templates allow you to save time and reduce manual work. Let's get started. First, we will show you where to find the template. Visit our website InLoox.com and go to the menu item Resources. Under Download, you will find the Templates section. The templates are categorized into generic, functional, and industry-specific types. In general, the functionality of the templates is available for list views, planning, tasks, mind maps, reports, and dashboards. Templates by function cover areas such as change management, marketing, or HR. Industry templates are, for example, available for architecture, construction, healthcare, or engineering projects, and more. Now we will go through an example of Gantt planning, as this is the most common type of template. First, we download a planning template, here for a construction project, and then switch to InLoox web app. You can use an existing project or create a new one. In the example, I am creating a new project. I call this project Construction Project X, and then switch to the Planning tab. On the right-hand side, you will find the button Templates. There you will see the templates that already exist in your account. To import the downloaded planning template, click on Manage Templates. Here you can rename existing templates, export or delete them, or import new templates by clicking on Upload Template. Select the corresponding file from your computer and enter a name for the template, in this case, Construction Project. The planning template has now been successfully imported and is available in all your projects. To load the template into the actual planning, click on Templates again and select the appropriate template. In the new window, define the time frame for the planning. Select Automatic Calculation for a start date at Plan Start, or select Manual Calculation for a fixed date from the calendar. Activate Load Resource Data to adopt assigned resources and efforts from the template. If you do not tick the box, these fields remain empty in the tasks. With Load Completion Data, completed planning elements of the template are also marked as completed in the new planning. In this case, I select the manual calculation with start from next Monday and leave the bottom two boxes empty. Then click OK and the planning template is loaded into the Gantt chart. Take some time to look at the planning and adapt it to your individual needs. You can find guidance in our numerous help articles on planning. For example, you can edit existing planning elements or add new ones. As soon as you are finished, you can save the customized plan as your own template. To do this, click on Templates again and select Save Plan as Template. Give the new template a unique name and save it. The new template is now available to you personally in all your projects under the Templates button. If you would also like to make the template available to colleagues, you can export, share, and import. Now we know how the planning templates work. Templates are also available in many other InLoox areas and basically work in the same way there. The dashboards have an additional function. Click on the three vertical dots on the right and then on Manage Dashboards. With the slider visible for all, you can make the template available to everyone in the InLoox account. In other areas, such as planning and tasks, templates are only visible to you personally by default. Written step-by-step instructions can also be found on our website InLoox.com. Visit us there for more information and helpful resources.